What you need to know about an ERISA disability approval letter that hints or flat out tells you that you're only going to be paid for 2 years. Well, congratulations, you've gotten that letter saying, hey, we're going to pay benefits. But within the body of the letter, they're saying, well, wait a second, we really don't want to pay benefits for any length of time. And maybe we'll pay them as much as 2 years, but at some point we're going to deny this claim on the basis of the mental nervous limitation or the subjective condition limitation. Now, I've discussed this in earlier videos. I suggest you go watch them. The good news, is, of course, is that they're going to be paying your benefits, but the bad news is they are telling you that they're going to deny your claim. Now, you might have a combination of medical problems that can be subjectively based, like, if you will, migraines, and you might be depressed as heck as a result of migraines. So you got this double whammy defense of the mental nervous limitation and the subjective medical condition limitation. You need to understand that this is going to be a problem. And one of the ways to address this, obviously, is to hire an experienced ERISA disability attorney who's going to get out your plan or policy and read it cover to cover, explain to you the definition of disability, occupation, and look for those policy limitations. They're going to get your medical records, and they're going to look at them and say, whoa, this is a problem, this is not a problem, but this is how we're going to address it. This is what we want you to do in terms of documenting, for example, your migraines. You're going to do a diary. We're going to do some video. We're going to have your doctor address the objective basis for the migraines, because they may be caused by some other medical condition, which can be the basis of the ongoing disability claim. And of course, we want to address the psychological aspect. You're depressed, we get it. But if you've got that Monty Python wafer-thin mental nervous policy limitation that says, if your depression contributes just that much, benefits are limited to just 2 years, we need to start addressing that now, not 2 years from now, because the disability carrier is going to have your medical records reviewed by their peer-reviewed doctors who are going to cherry-pick the records and say, hey, there are all sorts of subjective medical conditions, terms here, pain, problems with depression, but there's nothing on examination that corroborates the basis of these pains or the nauseousness or the vomiting. And the depression, well, it's wafer thin, it's contributing, and these doctors will be giving the disability carrier a reason to deny the claim. We know that. So let's get smart. Let's start working now that you've got the approval letter, on how you're going to be addressing the mental nervous policy limitation or the subjective medical condition limitation. Don't wait till the last minute. It can be too late. This is the time to take action. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. Let's be a team together and work on keeping your ERISA disability benefits. 727-894-3188.